Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to BeingGuruElectrical channel. This is Mujib Raza video with the second class of PLC. Today we'll discuss how the PLC works. So let's start it. The main component of PLC include input card and output card and a CPU. The input may be digital input or analog input. Digital input is 0 and 1, which is binary, and analog input is 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamps signal. Output may be same as maybe digital or maybe analog. The CPU act as a processor. There are three ways to program a CPU. The most renowned is the ladder logic. So what we will do, we will put a ladder logic program in the CPU, and what the ladder program will do, it will examine the input, and on the basis of that program it will give the output. We have X0 input connected to the input IN0 at the input card, and we have a load connected to out0 at the output card. In the CPU we have a ladder logic. This ladder logic is checking the if IN0 is on, it will turn on out0. How? Let's see. You see, if as we close this X0, this IN0 close and it gives signal to the output, and this load gets on. So this is the small operation of how the PLC works. See again, this X0 is open, so it is also off, and it's also off. The load is also off. So if you close this X0, let's see, load is on. So this is how PLC works. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. If you like the video, like and share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you.